Hi, welcome to HardReset.Info channel, dear viewers. In front of me Nokia C21 Plus device, and now I'm gonna show you how to clean your USB charging port in this phone. So, firstly, you need to remember, never clean your USB connector using metal objects. Do not to damage your USB charging port. I suggest to use an Altus brush, which you no longer use, or just another plastic object. So, as you can see, there's something in my charging port that's preventing the charging cable from going all the way into the connector, and now we are going to try to clear it. So, firstly, take the brush in your hand, insert one part of the brush in the connector, and just pry the dirt out. That's it. Thanks for watching, like this video, subscribe to our channel, and bye. See you.